how to attach the rain gutter for the 2 twin peak package.
Step 1, set up both gazebos parallel to each other on flat surfaces with about 30 centimeters in between. Attach the velcro strips on 2 sides of the rain gutters to the velcro strips on the 2 inside edges of the canopies of the 2 gazebos.
Once both sides are securely attached, your gazebo is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit us at blackhawks.co.nz or come visit us in store in Hillcrest, Auckland.